Tesla celebrates a 75,000 supercharger milestone. Tesla has crossed another major charging milestone by officially installing its 75,000th supercharger stall worldwide. The electric vehicle maker chose South Hobart, Tasmania, as the commemorative location of its 75,000th supercharger. Tesla's 75,000th stall is hosted at the South Hobart Smart Store on Cascade Road, South Hobart, Tush 7004, as noted in a Tchao report. The location features 4 next-generation V4 superchargers, which are built with longer cables that should make it easy even for non-Teslas to use the rapid charger. The site also includes simplified payment options, aligning with Tesla's push to make V4 stations more accessible to a broader set of drivers. For Tasmanian EV owners, the installation fills an important regional gap, improving long-distance coverage around Hobart and strengthening the area's appeal for mainland travelers traveling by electric vehicle. Similar to other commemorative superchargers, the 70,000th stall is quite special as it is finished in glacier blue paint. Tesla's 50,000th stall, which is in California, is painted a stunning red, and the 60,000th stall, which is in Japan, features unique origami-inspired graphics. The Tesla supercharger's pace of expansion shows no signs of slowing. Tesla celebrated its 70,000th stall at a 12-stall site in Burleson, Texas, late June 2025. Just 8 months earlier, Tesla announced that it had celebrated the build-out of its 60,000th supercharger, which was built in Enshu Morimachi, Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. Tesla's supercharger network also recently received accolades in the United Kingdom, with the 2025 ZapMap survey naming the rapid charging system as the best large EV charging network for the second year in a row. Survey respondents praised the supercharger network for its ease of use, price, and reliability, which is best in class. The fact that the network has also been opened for non-Teslas is just icing on the cake. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.